Hello all, this is Pavithra. Today I come up with how to remember percentage values and as well as how to crack simplification questions which are based on percentages. If this video will helpful for you, please do subscribe my channel and please do share.
Yes, here. For example, if I'm converting fraction to percentage, I have to multiply into 100. If I'm converting percentage to fraction, what I have to do is I have to divide with 100. Okay. Now here, for example, fraction. Fraction is nothing but let's assume 1 by 2. Okay, this is the fraction, correct? Now, if I'm converting fraction to percentage, what I have to do, I have to multiply with 100, correct? Now, what is 1 by 2 in percentage? I can say 50%, correct? Now, similarly, if I'm converting percentage to fraction, 50%, I'm converting into fraction. What is the fraction I can expect here? Can anyone? Percentage, I'm converting into fraction. Yes, excellent. 1 by 2. Here, percentage. This is the percentage value, 50%, correct? Now, what I'm doing here, I'm converting into fraction. I can divide with 100. It is giving the result as 0, 0 is cancelled out. We can say 1 by 2, correct? Okay, now this is fine. Now, if the question is asking that, what is 20% of 30? Can anyone, what is 20% of 30? What is 20% of 30? Six. Okay. Great. Here we can calculate without pen and paper also. Correct? What is 20% of 30? 20% of 30. Here we can cancel out 0 and 0. Most of the people will calculate like this. 20 divided by 100 into 30. 0, 0 and here 2 zeros are cancelled out. Left of the numbers are 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Most of the people will calculate like this. Now here we can do without pen and paper also. Now here what you have to do is 0, 0 is cancelled out. What about left of the numbers? 2 and 3. Multiply 2 and 3, it is giving the result as 6. Okay, this is fine. Now if the question is asking that what is 80% of 70? Now quickly tell me the answer for this question. What is 80% of 70?
$56.
56. Great. What about others? Yes. 80% of 56. Correct. You can cancel out 0 and 0. You can say, what about left of the numbers? 8 and 7 are left of the numbers. Correct. Now, what is 8 into 7? 8 into 7 is equals to 56. Correct. You can say 56. Now here, okay, this is fine. Up to here, that is fine. Now, if the question is asking 32% of 50, what is the answer for this question? What is 32% of 50?
$16.
16. 16. Excellent. Yes. Here, how we can calculate 32% of 30? You can calculate like this. Okay, this is also fine. 32 divided by 100 into 50. Okay, 51s and 52s, we can say 16. But by using common sense, we can say this in 1 second. 32% of 50. You can interchange the numbers like this. 50% of 32. What is 50% of 32? We know what is 50%? Half, correct? Half 1 by 2. Now what is half of 32? We can say 60. You can interchange the numbers also. No need to go with 30% and after that 2%. No need to calculate like that. Okay, you can interchange the numbers. Till now, is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
okay. Now here, if the question is asking like this, what is 75% of 40? What is the answer for this question? What is 75% of 40?
40% of 75
Okay.
is
Okay. 40% of 75. Okay, we can calculate like this.
20.
20.
30.
35.
35. Okay. Yes. Now here, how we can calculate? Yes, you can calculate 40% of 75. 40% of 75, or you can calculate, see, for example, I hope BTech people also there. For example, if I am completed 3 years of my BTech, 3 years of my BTech, I can say 75%. If you're done with 2 years of your BTech, you can say 50% of the course is completed. Correct? Now, if you're done with 3 years, you can say 3 by 4 of the course is completed. Correct? Agree?
Yes.
Yes. 3 by 4 of the course is completed. Correct? 75% you can remember like this. 3 by 4. Now, what about 40? 3 by 4 into 40? We can say 10. This is giving the result as 30. Yes. If you are calculating like this 40% of 75, what you have to do is first you have to calculate 10% of 75. Can anyone tell me what is 10% of 75? What is 10% of 75? $7.5. Great. For example, this is the number 115. Okay, 115. Okay, if 115, 100% of 115, it is giving the result as total number, that is 115 only. Okay, 100% of 115, that is 115 only. Now, if I am calculating 10% of 115, what is 10% of 115? What you have to do is, you have
11.5.
Great. You have to put 0.1 decimal before. You have to put 0.1 decimal before. That is nothing but, yes, you can put 0.1 decimal before. 10% of 115, that is 11.5. Okay. Now, what about 1% of 115? Can anyone? What is 1% of 115?
0.115.
0.115. Okay. What about others? Okay, great. Yes, 1%. That is nothing but here what you have to do is put 0.2 decimals before. To calculate 1%, put 0.2 decimals before. That is 1.15. Okay, 1.15. Now here 10% of 75 is 7.5. Now what about, okay, what about 40%? What you have to do? You have to multiply with 4. Now what is 75 into 4? Yes.
30.
30? Is it 30?
0.0.
300. 5 into 4.
30.0.
30.0, we can say 30. Correct. Okay. 75 into 4, that is giving the result as 30. Here you can calculate like this. 75 into 4. Correct. Now what is 70 into 4? What is 7 into 4? 28. 28. Correct. You have to put 1 0. Now what is 5 into 4? 20. Okay. Now what is 280 plus 20? It is giving the result as 300. Yes, you can calculate like this, or you can calculate by using the normal approach. 75 into 4, 5 into 4 is equals to 20, 7 into 4, you can calculate like this. Okay. Okay. Now, instead of calculating like this is the very simple method, correct? 75% is equals to 3 by 4, and 40 we can say 4 into 10, 30, correct? Okay. Now here, how we can remember the percentage values? I hope everyone know what is 1 by 2 and what is 1 by 4. Okay. Now here, please pay your attention. 1 by 2 is equals to 50%. And what about 1 by 4? Can anyone?
25.
25?
25.
Okay, great. What about others? 1 by 4 in percentage.
25.
Okay. Yes, 25%. Here, I hope everyone know 100 into 25 into 4 is equals to 100. That is fine. Here you can calculate, you can remember like this. Here the double and here half. Half of 50 we can say 25. And what about 1 by 8? And here the double and here half. What is half of 25?
12.5.
Great. 12.5. Yes. Now what about 1 by 16? Can anyone without pen and paper also we can say the answer? What is 1 by 16 in percentage?
0.25.
6.25. Great. Double and here half. What is half of 12.5? It is giving the result as 6.25. Correct, 6.25%. Similarly, can you tell me the answer for, okay, this is fine. Up to 1 by 15 values are fine. Okay. Now here, what about 1 by 5? Can anyone? What about 1 by 5 in percentage?
70.
1 by 5?
20.
20%. 1 by 5. 100 divided by 5, we can say 20. Correct?
20.
Now what about 1 by 10?
10.
10. Here the double and here half, we can say 10%. Now what about 1 by 20?
5.
5%. Double and half. What about 1 by 40?
2.5.
2.5. Yes, 2.5. Here double and here we can say half. That is 2.5%. Okay. What about 1 by 3? Can anyone? 1 by 3 in percentage?
33. 1 by 3.
Great. 33.33%.
33%.
Now what about 1 by 6?
16.16.
Great. 16.66%. Half of 33.33%. We can say 16.66%. Correct? Now what about 1 by 12? Double and here half.
8.8.
8.33%. Correct? 8.33%. Yes. Now, if we remember 1 by 3, then we can easily solve one. Means we can easily tell for 1 by 12 and 1 by 6 also. Correct? So this is fine. Now, what about 1 by 7? 1 by 7, 1 by 11, and 1 by 9. These are the very important percentage values. Now, what is 1 by 7 in percentage?
14.
14.
Great. 14.28. Here you can remember like this. 7 multiples will come. 7 2s 14, 7 4s 28. Okay, 7 2s 14 and 7 4s 28. Answer is 14.28 percentage. Now, what about 1 by 11? There is a relation between 9 and 11. 1 by 11, 9.09 and 1 by 9, 11.11 percentage. See, you can remember like this. There is a relation between 11 and 1 by 11, 9.09, 1 by 9, 11.11. Okay. Yes. Till now, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if the question is asking like this, what is 2 by 3? Okay. 66.66 percentage of 60. What is the answer for this question? What is 66.66 percentage of 60?
40.
40. Okay. Yes. How I can write 66.66 percentage in fraction?
Two by three.
Yes.
1 by 1.5.
Okay. 1 by 3, 33.33 percentage. Correct. Now, if I am multiplying into 2, 33.33 percentage into 2, it is giving the result as 66.66 percentage. Correct. Now, can I write 2 by 3 into 60? It is giving the result as 320s. We can say 40. Yes, 40. Okay. This is the way we can calculate. Moving forward to next. Yes. What is 45 percentage of 480? Quickly tell me the answer for this question.
Two 16.
260. Okay, great.
216.
Okay, 216. Okay. See, don't use calculus. Okay. Two 116. Great. Here.
Next one 9.
9. Great. Now here, 45 percentage of 480. Correct. You can interchange the numbers as well as you can interchange the digits. Okay. Now here 45 percentage of 480. You can rewrite it as how I can write 480 percentage of
45.
okay. You can interchange like this 480 percentage of 45. You can calculate like this, and we can calculate by using the simple method also. That is, you can write it as 450 percentage of 48. You can calculate like this, 450 percentage of 48. Whatever the zero is here, you can write 0 in front of after 45. Both will give the same result. Okay. Now this is somewhat quite simple. Instead of calculating 480 percentage of 45, 450 percentage is somewhat quite simple. Correct. Here, what you have to do, you have to calculate 100 percentage first. Now, what is 100 percentage of 48? By using common sense, we can say 48. Correct. Now, 48. What is 48 into 4? Yes. What is 48 into 4?
192.
192. Great. 48 into 4. Correct. Now, what is 4 into 4? 60. 160. 4 into 4 is equals to 16. We can write it as 160. 8 into 4 is equals to 32. 160 plus 32, 192. Here, 400 percentage of 48 is 192. That is fine. Now, what about 50 percentage of 48? We can say half.
24.
Great. 20.
Half.
Now, what is
25.
192 plus 24?
216.
216.
216.
Yes, 216. Answer is 45% of 480 is equals to 260. You can calculate like this or you can calculate like this. Yes. Is it,
50% minus 5% also.
yes, you can calculate like that also. But this is somewhat quite simple, correct, when compared to that. Agree?
Yes, madam.
You can calculate 50% and after that you can see, instead of subtracting, addition is somewhat perfect. We can do addition fast instead of subtraction, correct? Agree?
Yes,
Yes.
madam.
Yes. Now what about 18% of 50?
9.
Percentage of 18. 1 by
Yes, 9.
50% of 80.
Great. You can
9.
interchange the numbers. You can interchange the numbers that as 50% of 18, correct? 50%. We can say half of 18.
Half.
9. Yes,
9.
and 9 for this question. Okay. I hope it is clear. Moving forward to the next. Yes. What is the answer for question number 1? %14.2% of 1100. Yes, here percentage 2 zeros.
7.
Sorry. Yes, percentage 2 zeros are cancelled out. What is 14.2 into 11? Can anyone? What is 14.2 into 11?
156.2.
156.2. Great. Here the multiplication trick for 11. Write 1 as it is. Write 2 as it is. First number, last number. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. And put 0.1 decimal before because here the point is there. Correct? 156.2. Okay. Now what about this? 15.6% of x is equals to 359. Now what is the unit digit I can expect if I am taking this value to right hand side? Yes, can anyone? What is the unit digit? You have to see only unit digit. 359 minus 156.5. What is the unit digit I can expect?
2.
202.8.
No need to. Okay, that is fine. Here you can expect unit
1.
8.
8.8.
Correct. Here 0. And you have to take 10. Correct. Here you can expect the unit digit as 8. Now here, please pay your attention. If I am going with solving by using option verification method, which of the following number will give the result as unit digit is 8 if I am multiplying with 6? Which of the following option? Percentage 2 zeros will cancel out. I can able to see only option B. Correct?
1300.
Yes, 1300. 15.6% of 1300. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled out. 6 into 3 is equals to 18. Yes, we are getting the unit digit as 8. Can I fix my answer as option B?
Yes.
Yes. What about others?
Of course.
Yes. I hope it is clear. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now here everything is same. 14.2% of 1100. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled out. 14.2 into 11. And after that, 15.6% of x is equals to 359. Now here 156.2, I'm taking these to right hand side. It will subtract. Correct. 359 minus 156.2. It is giving the result as unit digit is 8. To get unit digit is 8, how much I have to multiply to 6? I have to multiply with 3 to get 8. Now, which of the following option will satisfy? Only option B. Correct? 156 point,
Option verification.
yes. 15.6 percentage of 1300. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled out. 6 into 3 is equals to 8. 18, we can say unit digit is 8. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving forward to next. Yes, next question. Quite simple question. What is 33 1 by 3 percentage of 270?
90.
33 1 by 3, we can say 100 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Correct. 1 by 3 in percentage, 33.33 percentage only. 1 by 3 into 270 is equals to 15 percentage. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled out. 150 plus 3 percentage. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled out. Correct. 3 by x.
3 by
Okay, this is into, yes, 3 by x. Now, what about this 90? Now here, if I'm going with option verification method, or we can calculate 3 ones and 3 30s. And what about this 5?
One.
Yes, x is equals to 5. Answer is
First option.
yes,
First option.
first option. Great. Answer is option A, 5. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving forward to next. What is the answer for this question?
$50. Option D.
Great.
option D. ma'am.
Excellent.
50 is 1 by
Great. 50
1 by
percentage is
2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2 into
24 divided by 100
1
into
by
x
2
is equals to 6. Correct? Okay, this is 6, 2 ones and 2 12s. And what about these 6 ones and 6 twos? We can say 50. Answer is 50.
50.
Okay. Moving forward to the next question.
3 by 2.
40.
40?
40. Yes, ma'am.
40? Yes. 3 by 4th of 24 percentage of 400. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled out. What about this 24 into 4 minus 32 is equals to how much? Correct? Now 4 into 6 is equals to 24. 18 into 4. What is 18 into 4?
72.
72. 72 minus 32 is equals to how much? 40. Correct?
40.
Answer is option C, 40. Okay. This is somewhat quite simple questions. Moving forward to the next question. What is the answer for this question?
Ma'am, previous question. ma'am.
A previous question.
Explain, madam, once.
Okay. 3 by 4th of 24 percentage of 400. 24 percentage of 400. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled out. 24 into 4 minus 32. First, what I have to do as per Boardma's rule, I have to go with multiplication. Then I have
Multiplication.
yes, subtraction. Correct. Now 4 into 6 is equals to 24. Now what is 16 into 3? 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 4,
40. Yes.
72. 72 minus 32,
40.
40. Answer is option C, 40.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Moving forward to next.
16.00.
For this type of questions, what you have to do is you have to take the near numbers. That is nothing but here you can consider as 49 point something. Okay, you can consider as 49 only. 49 percentage of, you can consider 699.98 you can consider as 700. Plus 32 you can consider as 33 percentage. And what about 399.999 you can consider as
400.
great. Now what about this percentage 2 zeros?
15.
Yes. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled out. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled out. What is 69 into 7? Yes, 69 into 7.
483.
Great. 483. You can calculate without pen and paper also. Here see 6 into 7, 420.
615, madam, answer.
Yes, 615. Great.
Option A.
Great. Now here 6 into 7. 60 into 7, it is giving the result as 420. Now what about 9 into 7? It is giving the result as 63. You can say 483. Okay, this is 483. Now what about 33 into 4? 30 into 4 is equals to 120 and 3 into 4 is equals to 12. We can say 132. Now what is a unit digit I can expect? Okay, all the options are satisfying. Now what is 483 plus 1? We can say 615. Correct. Answer is option A. Yes. Now, instead of calculating like this, we can solve by using digital sum method also. Yes. Now, what is 6 plus 9? 21. What is
15.
15. What is the digital sum here? 15 means we can write it as 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. Into 7. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. And here 4. 7 into 6. What is 7 into 6?
42.
42.
Means I can say,
42 plus 20.
yes, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Plus 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is equals to 24. What is the digital sum here? 6. 6 plus 6 is equals to how much? 12.
12.
I can say digital sum is 3. Now Now, which of the following option will satisfy? Must be, digital sum must be 3. Yes, 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Digital sum is 3. Can I fix my answer as option A? This is 15. 15 means here I can say 6. And what about this? Other options will not satisfy for sure. Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about others?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear.
Okay. Okay. Moving forward to the next question.